please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. You will never miss a new upload. Hi guys, and finally I got Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 from Flipkart. This is real unit, not a preview one. Phone packs a 5.99-inch Full HD plus 18:9 2.5D curved glass display, is powered by Snapdragon 636 mobile platform with up to 4GB RAM and runs on stock Android 8.1, Oreo, and the company has promised that it will get an update for Android P. It also said that it will try to provide Android Q. Most part of the back in metal, and the top and bottom parts have plastic finish where the antennas are present. The Zenfone Max Pro M1 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 Octa Core processor coupled with Adreno 509 GPU. It's a 14nm FinFET processor, powerful and power-saving. Now Zenfone Max Pro that I got for the review comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM. There is another version that comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 has been launched in India and its price is Rs. 10,999, 3GB/32GB and Rs. 12,999, 4GB/64GB. First sale on 3rd of May 2018. Offers: get complete mobile protection plan, no cost ME plan, extra hours. 1000 off over exchange value, Rs. 3200 worth offer from Vodafone. Inside the box you will get the handset, user manual, warranty card, data cable, USB to micro USB, and travel charger 5 volts, 2A. SAR value is 0.547, head, and 1.340, body. Users will also get the Max Box inside the box. The Max Box is a passive amplifier made of cardboard. It increases the sound output by 1.7x times. Talking about sensors, there is accelerometer, light, proximity, gyro, magnetic, Hall and step counters. A 5000 mAh battery powers this handset. As far as security is concerned, there is fingerprint sensor on the back and face unlock is also supported. Face unlock feature will be added within few days via OTA update. Coming to the camera, there is a 13MP plus 5MP, f/2.2, dual cameras on the rear with LED flash support, and the front camera is 8MP, f/2.0. The rear camera as well as the front camera can shoot in bokeh mode. Max Pro M1 can shoot 4K videos. The company will launch the 6GB RAM with 64GB storage version with 16MP primary rear and 16MP front camera at Rs. 14,999 within 6 weeks. The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 has many competitors like the Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi 5, Honor 9 Lite, Redmi Note 5, Honor 7X etc.